Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. You are watching the playlist of business writing skills, and in this video you are going to see an example of business case writing. In the previous video we learned that what is a business case document, why do we need it, and its format. So before we start the example, let's see what we studied before. A business case document is a formal, written argument intended to convince a decision maker to approve the suggested action. I hope it's clear to you that we write a business case document in a very formal way. It is written to convince someone who is going to make a decision. It is developed during the early stages of a project. Now, you can see on your screen the format. It starts with business case title followed by the executive summary, current process, reason to change, risk, options, option comparison, recommendation, action, and at last approval requested. If you have any doubt about any point, you can watch the previous video in which I have explained each and every point with proper example. Now we are going to see the example. Feedback on electronic device manufacturer XYZ company. So it is going to start with the title. I have not mentioned the title in the next slide because it's up to you. You can choose any title that you want. So we will start with the executive summary. We have handed over the task of manufacturing the private electronic devices of our office to XYZ Company, a reputed Delhi based organization. I hope this section is clear to you. In this, you have given the summary to the person to whom you have written the business case document. In this summary, you have just mentioned the name of the company and the things that they are going to manufacture. Then comes the next point, which is current process. In this, you are going to mention that how much amount you are going to pay to the company, how many days they are going to work in a week, and how many hours in a day. So I have mentioned 55,000 rupees, 6 days a week, and 5 hours between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. I hope it's clear to you. So next is reason to change. Output not according to client's requirements, excessive materials used, and plenty wasted. In this, you have to mention the main problem which you are facing because of the company. Then we will move towards the risks involved. A new manufacturer might reinstall previous state and undo all actions. So this is the section in which you are going to mention the problems which you are going to face if you change the company. So if you change the company, it is possible that they start from the very beginning. So it is a big problem. So you have to mention it here. Then comes the options, asking the new manufacturer to continue from the same device and not enforcing a new one. So in this, we can give the option to the problem that they might continue from the same device. Let's move towards the next one, which is option comparison. Loss in enthusiasm of new company might lead to drop in productivity, but fixed monthly compensation and more number of daily hours would balance productivity. So in this, you're going to write the permanent solution which you're going to give to the new company. You're going to tell them that they have to work more hours than the previous company every day, and the compensation of per month will be fixed. Let's move towards the end of the report. So we will write the recommendation, which is the total summary of the whole report, that what recommendation you are going to give. Terminate contract with XYZ and deal with the new company. So this is the one line recommendation you are writing. Then comes the sudden action. Action involves call representatives and technicians of the new company and let them inspect the situation and submit a final report. with assessment that how much time they will take to complete the devices. So in this action will be written for the new company which will take over the project. And at last comes the approval requested. So this is written to the people who are concerned with the particular approvals. For example, calling the new company's approval is needed from HR, meeting the new company's representatives approval is needed from MD, finalizing quotation for the renovation is needed from HR accounts. So this is the end of the business case document. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with our channel for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe our videos. If you have any doubt, you can mail us at nerdtover@gmail.com, or you can contact us on our social media handles, which are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. You can also comment in the comment box if you have any doubt or query. Thank you for watching.